right, so it is dark 30. What, 6:30 in the morning? We were up at 5:30. This is an extremely special episode of Our Road to Camelot. In fact, so special, it's probably going to jump the queue and be placed before we finish our summer travels. And do we tell them now, or we'll surprise you right after this? Don't go away.
Bye.
All right, so we are outside of the Montana High Country. Keystone, plant 17 behind us.
Yep.
And here's the big reveal.
Yep.
One of those Montanas in there is going to be replacing our Cougar in the next few weeks. So it's being built. We're going to take a look at the build today.
And tomorrow.
And tomorrow. So we're going to see the early stages today and the finishing up of it tomorrow.
Yeah.
And you're going to follow us through the whole process. So this is exciting.
At least pretty much most of it. Anyway.
Yes, so let's go ahead and head on inside and check out our new Keystone Montana High Country. Yeah. So one of these three are ours. Is this it? Yeah! Oh my God. All right, this one behind me is our new fifth wheel. This is our team Montana. Thank you guys.
Montana High Country.
Second day, we're here with Kasey. Second day of the build, so we're gonna get a chance to see a little bit more further on, hopefully toward the end, right?
Yes, we should be hopefully on that side of the building. So
nice.
we're gonna see her come out.
Excellent. So this is an exciting day today, so let's get going.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, we'll get the handle.
Definitely gonna need the handle. And back.
Right.
And back.
Last step, getting ready to be rolled out. So exciting.
I
PNC Steps Ambassador. They're good to go inside. I need to get here first. Oh, yes! Oh my God. Dawn is gonna freak out. She did not know we were getting the TV box in here. You gotta come in here first.
Oh my God!
I've been keeping this a secret since the rally.
Are you kidding?
Half the people at the rally already knew about it. You're the only one who didn't know about it.
Yay, surprise! Oh! Surprise! That's all Nick.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's awesome!
That was a Nick. He
I know,
said,
because I kept telling Steve, I said, yeah, I want a TV, but it'll make me think I'm in the hospital. You know, because it's just there.
There.
Oh my God.
so
That's awesome.
Oh.
it would have been in yesterday, but that's what they had to pull out to.
Oh, that's what you're talking. Oh, I thought it was something like over here somewhere.
No,
That looks great.
it looks awesome.
I love it. Oh
That's
my God.
awesome. Okay, instrument storage being realized.
Do you want
Sitting
the side up? Okay.
in my office.
Thank you.
Oh, this is so
Need
exciting.
help?
So you've kind of seen the build with us.
It's really sunny out here.
It really is, but oh my gosh, this
Yeah.
is so awesome. This is the end of part one, so you kind of see the manufacturing of it.
Yep.
But part two, we're going to do a full-on tour from cap to back, and let's just see exactly what the Montana 385 BR is all about.
Right, and why
But-
we decided on
And
choosing
why we decided on that.
Yeah.
So anyways, that's it for this episode. Hit that subscription button.
And hit that bell, let you know when we post every Sunday
Sunday
at
at
2.
2, thumbs up for good measure.
And we'll hopefully see you on the road.
So safe travels and camp better.
Sláinte.